Okay, so now we can try some counter melodies here. That's pretty good. I like that. Let's try that. That is good. I like that. So it's a good counter melody for this. Let's see how it sounds with the little drop right here. I want to bring out that guitar a little bit. So we're going to grab some multi-band dynamics here, some OTT. And there it is. Ever since they added the categories for this, for the effects, I get confused of which one was where because I'm used to just grabbing them in the full list when they have it, or when they had it in Ableton 10 and 9. Okay, so we are grabbing OTT. And we're gonna bring the amount way down. We just want a tiny bit, but we're gonna boost this guy like all the way up and all the way up. We don't need the low end at all, so we're gonna turn that off. And let's turn the output. Actually, no, wrong one. Let's turn this output down. Let's see what we get. Oh, you know what? I added it on the wrong channel there. This one. Okay, so that's sounding better. I want to actually grab the MIDI notes from this because it sounds like it's a little off. And I know I want to kind of have it humanized so it sounds like an actual session guitarist was in here playing with me. I want to see what the notes look like though. Okay. Let's look at these real quick. Let's see if we just quantize it, see what happens here. Okay, so there's a little movement here. Okay, so here's what I'm noticing about this guitar melody. It's pretty good. It's actually, this little note does humanize it. It makes it sound like he's like where your finger would be when you switch the chords with your left hand. Yeah, so it sounds like when you're like, you know, when your finger's sliding on the string a little bit, from when you hear people playing the guitar, it kind of has that effect to it. So it kind of works. Kind of. Let's see if it sounds better without it. Sometimes it's just good to A and B something and see if it sounds good or sounds bad. All right, let's see what we get without it. Okay, so it does it anyways because the VST, the plugin that I'm using has it set to have it humanized with that sound already, which is why I like to use this one. It's pretty authentic. So let's go ahead and save that or keep it. We're pretty much good. We don't need this guy anymore. And now I can move on to one more layer here for the melody. And easy trick to do when you just want to get a rhythm, just like some groove with like an ARP going. Grab the drop lead here. And I want to grab the timing. Well, actually, you know what? I can just grab the festival timing MIDI that I have already set up here. So let's go ahead and do that in my custom instruments and festival drop timing. Okay, so I'm going to use this as like a melody. And then just it'll add some momentum to the whole intro. Okay. And let's grab a quick lead. For situations like this, when I just need something that sounds good real quick, this is why I love Nexus 3 so much. The sounds are pretty polished and ready to go. That is not what I wanted to do. I wanted it on, they had it on the wrong channel there. So let me undo this. All right, there we go. All right, sorry, I meant to put that on this guy right here. And let's grab a quick lead, something from Dubstep Electro maybe. Pluck, let's try that. There, perfect like that.